In 1919 Boston, a molasses tank burst, flooding streets with a dark, slow wave that trapped carts, pedestrians, and memories. The scene forced police and volunteers to improvise lines while engineers tracked the viscous plume, turning a bizarre disaster into actionable city lessons. A dry coroner's report blamed faulty storage and negligent maintenance, spurring sweeping safety codes and stricter inspections. The reforms touched construction rules, crowd control, and emergency response, leaving a lasting, quiet influence on urban design. This hidden chapter proves that unlikely events can reshape safety culture and protect people for generations.